Hey, I'm here with Richard right now. He already bought the Zip Seat Extractor. He loves it. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
It's a great tool. It's the first time I bought it, I got a Symmons valve with the seats stuck inside. I put on my my screw gun, worked right out, no problem. I used it 3 or 4 times already. It never disappointed me at all. It's a great tool to invest with.
See that? He's used it multiple times and it's worked phenomenally for him. Hey, I'm here with Bill today. He has the Zip Seat Extractor. What do you think about it?
It works great.
You love it?
It's working fine.
Great.
Takes out even the oldest seats.
Even the oldest seats. I love it. Hey, I'm Gabe. I'm here with Mike. Mike likes to use the Zip Seat Extractor. Tell me a little bit about it, Mike.
Man, I've used it 3 times now, and every single time it's worked exactly how it's advertised. It works perfectly. I can get the seat out. I can get everything out quick and easy, and it gets us in and out fast.
Great. I love to hear it. Thanks, Mike.
Yeah, no problem.
Hey, I'm here with Mike today. He's got the Zip Seat Extractor. What do you think about it, Mike?
Listen, I met the gentleman selling him at the Portland Group in Boston. He didn't even get to finish the introduction, and I had 2 in my truck. So keep up the great work. Thank you.
Awesome. And you like it? It works good?
We enjoy it. It's great for the team. We have to buy more because the guys are stealing it out of my truck.
Oh, that's a good
we have to
problem
get
to
more
have.
of them.
Alrighty.
So keep up the great business.
Awesome.
Thanks for the idea.
Thanks. I'm here with Wellington. He has the Zip Seat Extractor. What do you think about it, Wellington?
Really great. This thing works, and I used to have those the 3 like long ones that he's sticking in.
Yep.
This is fast and safe. It's good. I like it.
Awesome. I love to hear it, Wellington. I'm here with Tyler today. He's got the Zip Seat Extractor. I think he likes it a little bit. What do you think?
Oh yeah, best one of the best tools I've ever bought him. No more stripping out those seats in the Symmons Valves.
Yeah. Good. I'm glad you like it. I'm here with Matt. He's got the Zip Seat Extractor. What do you think about it, Matt?
I love it. It's a great tool. Works well with older valves, and it's a game changer.
Yeah, that's awesome. I love to hear it.
My name's Rich Swears, and a buddy of mine told me about this great product. He had most incredible experience with it. He had hard water, and they came out within 10 seconds. Perfect. I got mine today.
Hi, my name is Dan Couturier. I'm an instructor at the New Hampshire School of Mechanical Trades, and I run my own plumbing business in New Hampshire. And I bought one of these Zip Extractors last year. It's one of the best tools I've ever bought at a trade show or from a counter. How's that?
PHCC Trade Show with these guys right here who all bought the tool last year. And how do you like it?
Never had a problem. Yeah. Never had a problem. You'd be crazy not to get it. I was skeptical at first, but just do it.
Oh yeah, great tool. Doesn't strip the valve, comes right out, saves time.
There you go, the Zip Seat Extractor.